Can you remember what an oxidation reaction is? Or a reduction reaction? Do you know what the word redox means? In this video, I'm going to remind you of all those things. Hi everyone, and welcome to Revised Chemistry with Mr. B. You might wonder what I'm doing. Well, I'm heating up a piece of shiny orange copper in a Bunsen burner flame to see what reaction happens. And already we can see where the end of it is going black. So here's how the copper started off, nice shiny orange copper, and it's turned black. So what's happened there is the copper has reacted with the oxygen in the air. So we started off with copper, and it reacts with oxygen to make copper oxide. That is the black substance we can see coating the copper where it's been heated. And this is a really good example of an oxidation reaction. We can say the copper has been oxidized. It's joined with oxygen, and that's what we mean by an oxidation reaction.
So what's the difference between oxidation and reduction? Oxidation is when a substance combines with or joins with oxygen. Reduction is the opposite. This is when a substance loses oxygen. In this example, we've got iron oxide reacting with carbon to make carbon dioxide and iron. The carbon is able to take the oxygen away from iron because it's more reactive. It's higher up the reactivity series that we've been learning about compared to iron. So in this example, iron oxide is reduced because it loses oxygen. It turns from iron oxide into iron. The carbon is oxidized as it gains oxygen. We can see it changing from carbon into carbon dioxide. We can see from the previous example that reduction and oxidation often occur at the same time. These reactions are called redox reactions, and that comes from the two words reduction and oxidation. So when we've got reduction and oxidation happening at the same time, we can call it a redox reaction. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.